back to our sneak peek into the new products shown this year at the Cooler Master Tech Experience. I'm Trish. Now, let's dive into the Max series of PC cases. The Max series is completely custom out of the box, featuring exclusive Cooler Master components uniquely tailored to each other. Now, it's important to note that these components are not sold separately, since the whole point is that they are offered as one uniquely designed ecosystem. But everything is still designed with upgradability and compatibility in mind. The NR200P is the first iteration of the Max line, with custom length tubing for all-in-one coolers, custom PSU cables, varied case and component clearances, plus a cool aesthetic. It's optimized for entry-level builders, pre-customized for a great fit, and makes building in small form factor a breeze. Cooler Master's next-gen leap in the Max series is the Encore 100 Max. It integrates a tailor-made extra-thick 120mm radiator and a custom ATX 3.0 PSU, encapsulating big performance in a small footprint. Now, speaking of footprint, the Encore 100 Max measures just 212 by 155 millimeters, about the size of an A5 sheet of paper, yet it's designed to house almost all of the latest components, a rarity among small form factor cases. And if you need to go larger, the case can expand from 155 to 172 millimeters in width, making room for even the largest RTX 4090 GPUs. For those looking for a larger ATX case, the TD500 MAX is really a standout in the Max series. While full tower cases have plenty of space for cooling systems, ATX chassis can still face space constraints, but not the TD500 MAX. It employs the most advanced cooling setup in Cooler Master's lineup, outperforming other ATX chassis and even some custom water-cooled eATX cases. Like the other cases in the Max series, building in the TD500 MAX is a breeze. With pre-installed and pre-routed components, all you need to do is install your motherboard and plug in the cables. Our patent 2-stage power connector means that you don't have to worry about cable management at the back. It's all taken care of. For cooling, Cooler Master has equipped the TD500 MAX with a custom 360 by 38mm Atmos radiator and 3 Mobius 120p ARGB fans. This setup is tailor-made for maximum performance, easily handling powerhouse CPUs like the i9-14900K. And here is a thoughtful touch, a unique screw stock storage pad on the PSU cover. No more missing screws. Builders everywhere, rejoice. I love that. With the TD500 MAX, Cooler Master has crafted a case that really makes a splash in the high-end ATX market, blending great thermal efficiency with user-friendly design. All right, everyone, thank you so much for joining me to check out the Max series of PC cases, and be sure to stay tuned for more from the Cooler Master Tech Experience, where we're not just keeping up with trends, we're setting them.